Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Anna and we are decorating for Christmas today. So it is officially the Christmas season and numbers have been higher in Korea, so Matthew and I we normally stay home anyway, but we're staying more and more home. And we're just gonna get my apartment all nice and cozy and cute. So I do already have like a couple of things like this up, and there's Matt, he's warming up apple cider. And I have like stickers along there, but I also just happen to have like a bunch of stuff, and we're gonna put up the Christmas tree over there. So I have the fire going. We're going to watch a Charlie Brown Christmas and get in the Christmas spirit. Okay, we have officially finished fluffing the tree, and Matthew just poured some reindeer chow. Reindeer chow, if you haven't had it before, is basically Chex. We have chocolate Chex here, and it's melted chocolate, peanut butter, and butter, and you mix it together, and you coat the Chex cereal. Then you put a poop ton of powdered sugar in a bag, and you mix it together, and you get reindeer chow. Some people put M&Ms, pretzels, stuff like that. But we're gonna snack on this, and I'm gonna grab the ornaments to put on our lovely little Charlie Brown tree.
Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. Been wondering just what you mean to me. Oh, Christmas tree. Honestly, it's never been much about you. Don't get me wrong, I think you're great. Root of tradition we celebrate. But oh, Christmas tree, more than anything, it's all the people around you. My sister's here, my cousins too. My brothers flew in this afternoon. We're catching up. Oh, what a year. Oh, Christmas tree, I nearly missed you there. Don't get me wrong, you're a sight to see, with all faded photos of family. But oh, Christmas tree, no, you don't mean a thing without the joy that surrounds you. Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. Been wondering just what you mean to me. Oh, Christmas tree. Honestly, it's never been much about you.
We have pretty much essentially finished the tree. We have this one little thing that gets knotted every year. Like I've done this more than twice. But this little garland thing to put on, and I have removed the hat as the tree topper. I'm either going to look for another one or just leave it bare because I don't know. I feel like it took away from the tree and the magic.
It was oversized for the tree.
Yeah, so I would just put the hat there. And I think that's what I did last year too.
That does look familiar.
Alright, so we're going to put that up, and then I have a couple more things. So this I'm going to put near the TV, but I don't have batteries for it. So this is going to go there. And then I bought this beautiful mat.
Not me.
From Modern Home. And I'm so excited. I'm going to put it outside of my door in the front. And then we just have to hang some stockings and that sign. And that is essentially our Christmas setup. I am so in love with it. It makes me very, very happy. And I hope that you enjoyed this mishmash of a video, because that was something, setting everything up. But I had fun, and of course I love doing it with Matthew. So I hope that you guys are enjoying your start to the holiday season, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!